You're welcome to English class with Mrs. Chineye. Please ensure you subscribe to get more of our videos. Today we'll be looking at monophthongs. I will give you words, give you sounds, and we'll also pronounce them together. So please feel free, pronounce the words. And there's something I want you to notice. Look at the shape of my lips and my mouth to produce the sounds. The first one we're looking at is the E sound. Now take it with me. E, 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 E. We have it in words as sit, fit, dip, peel, did. And that sound is a short vowel sound. The next is the E, E, E. We'll have examples as sit, feet, dip, peel, did. Now if you look at that sound, you will notice that it has two dots. The two dots there is showing that it's a long vowel sound. The next we want to look at is ah. Take it with me. Ah, ah, ah. Examples are bat, cat, fat, pat, lad. The next we want to look at is ah, ah, ah. Examples are bat, cat, fat, pat, lad. Now if you look at this sound, it has two dots. It means that it is what? A long vowel sound. The next we want to look at is eh, 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 eh. Examples are egg, leopard, leopard, bed, bread, keg. The next one we want to look at is as in cut, cod, pot, shot, spot. The next one to read is the long vowel sound, as in that's the sound So we have examples as caught, caught, cord, cord, pot, pot, short, short, spot. The next we want to look at is the birth, birth, girl, girl, shirt, 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 earth, earth, skirt, skirt, birth, girl, shirt, earth, skirt. I'm taking that sound over again because most people are not familiar with the sound. So because of the confusion in the sound, that's why I'm taking it again. Bird, girl, shirt, earth, skirt. The next sound we want to look at, that sound, if you look at it, is also another confusing one. It takes form of but not as It's a weak one, so we have it as blood, 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 sun, sun, best, best, calm, calm, flat, flat, flat. So the R there is not strong, it's a weak one. So the next one we want to look at is oo, oo, short, oo. Examples are pull, could, would, full, should, pull, could, would, should, full, pull, could, would, full, should. The next one to look at is oo. Ooh, if you look at that sound, it's having two dots. That means it's a long vowel sound. Ooh, examples are pulled, cooled, would, full, should. The next to it is a Schwa sound. The sound is in between the A and the E. It's not A, it's not E, but a weak sound also. It's known as a Schwa sound. Examples, we have the sound as E, E, doctor, butter, feather, paper, teacher, E. The weak one, E, teacher, paper, feather, butter, doctor. That's the Schwa sound. Now, I believe you've gone through the lesson and you have understood it. So subscribe to our channel for more of these videos. All you just need to do is to click on the subscribe button to get more of our videos. Thank you.